Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So Friday's move to the downside, as I suggested, probability of it continuing below that channel was very low, and now we're back in the channel. Massive pin bar off some structure. Here's your structure here, and that was at 17,467. So earnings season really kicks off in earnest tomorrow, and quite a bit of data as well that we're waiting for. So for me, the rule that we had last week, which was wait for a break, so the downside was a break on a retest of 17,758. That hasn't materialized, as you can see, with this massive pin bar. And the other one is wait for a break of 17,914 and a retest. That would break the channel in the correct direction because it is a bull flag at the moment, and that is what makes the most sense. Now, when we drill down through the time frames, you can see Friday's moved to the downside, big inside bar, and then straight back into the range just before the close. And now we're hovering in this area. So I suspect we're going to hover here a bit longer. I don't think we're going to break up to the upside just yet. Typical Monday price action as far as I'm concerned, so you probably find us come back. Definitely hope we close the gap and sort of find support at 17,758. I don't think I want to be taking that trade. The only trade I'm looking for right now is a break of Thursday's high at 17,914. However, let me just do that. You can see how this was respected on Friday, which is 17,805 or 17,800. So let's just get to the 15-minute because this is going to be a bit of a long-winded play. So you'd want to move down, close the gap back into this range that was formed on Friday, and then you want to break and retest of 17,805. So in other words, pull down, come down to 17,758, close the gap, go back up, bump your head here a bit, bump, 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 break through, then come through and test it. Then that would be the long entry, 17,805. Nice thing about that is I've got 110 point stop loss below the swing low. That's the only thing that I would take. I definitely will not take a long off 17,758 if we get there. As far as shorts go, I don't think I'll be going for shorts. Not so much that setup, but with that 8-hour setup. And if you look at the daily, that's a massive rejection bar on the daily. So I definitely won't be looking for a short with a bar like that. And look at my oscillators on the daily as well. So the logical play is really wait for 17,914 to break. So that's if you sort of don't have time to watch the charts. Just put an alarm for a break of 17,914. As soon as you see that pop on, wait for the retest, and then you're looking for that long. For me at the moment, that's kind of the way we want to play it. Sit on hands. I want this gap to close though, but I don't want to trade the long off the gap. So again, come back, close the gap, get back above 17,805, come back and test 17,805. Then I would take that long. Otherwise, I wait for the break and retest of 17,914 for a move to the upside. That could be quite volatile, to be honest, because that would break this channel good and proper. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.